Did you know you can access your account information from the My Account section on the Red Wing Software website? Information available includes your customer care membership, access to online services, as well as links to product help, end-of-year resources, getting started guides, and much more. To access My Account, simply log in at redwingsoftware.com. You'll be taken automatically to the My Account section. Let's have a look. As you can see in the upper left, the customer care membership section includes your renewal date, how many days remaining, your support number based on your products that you have, and your account number. Beneath that, you can see the auto renewal section. This is where you can either enroll in auto renewal of your customer care plan, or you can change your information for that. In the upper right, you can see My Account information, where you can view more information about your own login and membership information, as well as others who are signed up as members from your company. You can also contact Red Wing Product Support or simply contact Red Wing Software from this section. Beneath that is the section for online services, and this is where you can manage your payment for online services such as the employee portal or the published pay advices or the Red Wing Cloud, etc. You can see on the top here there are other tabs available as well, such as downloads that takes you to the downloads for the products that you have. E-newsletters allows you to look at the last 2 years of newsletters in case you want to go back and look at something you saw. Events is not being used right now. Training does list the current training opportunities we have for you. Getting started section lets you go through a detailed process of getting started for the product that you have. The help links take you directly to help for your product, and the end of year section does list out a detailed list of the end of year processes for the products that you have. We hope you like the My Account section, and I hope that you find it useful for your company. If you ever need help or you have a question, you can always call our support department at 800-732-9464 or email us at support@redwingsoftware.com.